That was a very steep climb. I'm actually catching up my breath, guys. Oh my god, that's one of the steepest climbs I did in my life. Really, it is, yeah. Alright guys, before we proceed to Bulusan Lake, alright, and onto Irusin, okay, I'll show you around the municipal building of Bulusan. Okay, I'll show it to you. There you go. So cute municipal building, isn't it? Yeah, and they have this session hall for the Sangguniang Bayan. Okay, then Bayan ng Bulusan. That's the municipal building. So cute. It looks modern. Yeah. Yeah, and then they have their health center here, Rural Health Unit of Bulusan. And in fact, that's where you can find the bus terminal. All right, going back to, for example, back to Sorsogon City. Yeah, that's where I'm going to catch bus tomorrow back to the Sorsogon City to return to Legazpi and then to Manila. Yeah, and yeah, the police station. Okay, yeah, this is it. So I'll now proceed to I'll go back to my motorcycle to proceed to drive to Bulusan Lake and to the town of Irusin. Okay, because I've heard in Irusin there are many hot springs there and other places to experience. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, I dropped by here at my friend's house, okay, my former boss Christine, okay, so this is her house, and yeah, I dropped by a bit for a quick lunch before heading to the great adventure going to the Bulusan Lake. Okay, sorry for that, sorry for my messy hair, I'll put back my cap. Sorry for that. Okay, and all right, I'll show you the lunch I have right now. It's very delicious. I tried already. I mean, just two spoons, and I love it so much. I'll show it to you. Okay. So this is the dinuguan. This is their style here in Sorsogon. It's dry. What do you call this? Dry dinuguan. This is how they cook this. It's very yummy. It's very delicious. Yeah, I've never tried this dinuguan before. I love it so much. Yeah. And nilagyan mo to ng ano te? Gata? Yeah. They put one of the ingredients in this dinuguan is coconut milk. That's why it's so full of flavor. Yeah, I love this. And of course with that green sile. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I'll continue my lunch here. All right. So I'll get more energy to do some adventures this afternoon. Okay, all right, see you. Chicos, while traversing this paved highway on the way to Bulusan Lake, I stopped here immediately because it's really beautiful to see here. Okay, it's a forest full of coconut trees. Look, see that? Yeah, a very nice one, you know, very relaxing, lots of greens, vegetations. Okay, and there's a horse. Hello horsey, horsey. Look at that. Yeah, so good to be here. Right, let's try to go down. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, anything but coconut trees and different kinds of vegetations, lots of greens, and the two horses. Actually, yeah, there are two. Hello horsey. Okay, see you. All right, let's go back to the motorcycle to continue our ride going to Bulusan Lake. Oh my god. All right. Okay, I arrived at the entrance part of the Bulusan Volcano National Park where Bulusan Lake can be found. Okay, but let me just summarize it up here at this point. Okay, I arrived here at around 2 in the afternoon on Saturday, which is one of the busiest days here. Alright, and there were like around 50 visitors before me who are waiting for their turn to get access to the national park, and their cutoff time is around it's like 4:30 p.m. I think. Due to this time constraint, I decided to make the Bulusan Lake visit the following day at very early in the morning. Okay, and then from here I just go find another adventure, which is just 10 minutes motorcycle ride from here. So there I went, not wasting my time at all. Alright, so let me just park my motorcycle here. So we are here at Zoe's Resort. Yeah, welcome to our piece of paradise, they said. Swimming pool area here, okay. Alright, so what we can expect here at Zoe's is you can do bird watching, fish pond. Oh, they have ATV rides, really. Tractor rides, Hulugan Falls, and Kambal, Busai. Alright, so let's wonder where the Wi-Fi is weak. That's a good idea. Okay. Yes, so it's a perfect Saturday afternoon here in it seems like in between the towns of Bulusan and Irusin. Okay, but anyway, again, this is Zoe's Eco Resort. Yeah, nature is our treasure, so we have to help to save it. Okay, leave the road, take the trails, and this is the trail. Okay, jobs fill your pocket, but adventures fill your soul. That's really true, and that's what I always do. The environment is everything that is not me. Okay. Alright, so damas y caballeros, estoy aquí en el Resort de Zoe. Live life with no excuses. Okay. Can you hear that sound? Like different kinds of sounds of crickets, birds. I don't know if you can hear it. When we heal the earth, we heal ourselves. Ah, that's so sweet. All right, there are a bunch of reminders here, guys, for us coming from Mother Nature. The earth has music for those who listen. All right, okay. But yeah, that is really true. Some of them I cannot read because they're covered by shrubs, or what do you call this, crawling plants. Yeah, on earth there is no heaven, but there are pieces of it. And yes, as you can see, oh, right over there. Oh, hold on. So love the world as your own self, then you can truly care for all things. And there are no passengers on spaceship Earth, we're all crew. Alright, so this is the place where you can find the actions then. Okay. Alright, let's find out. Alright, so we are now here at the entrance part where you need to pay the entrance fee. Alright, so for adults like me, it's 150 pesos or $3. Okay, for kids, $2 or 100 pesos. So what I'm going to do now is I'll proceed to find the waterfalls. Anong pangalan ng falls kuya?
Kambal Busai.
Kambal Busai.
And
okay.
Hidden Falls.
Okay.
Saka yung Hulugan Falls.
I see. So there are 3 falls: Hulugan Falls, Kambal Busai, and
Hulugan Falls.
Hulugan Falls.
Hidden Falls.
Hidden Falls. Okay. We have to find that Hidden Falls because it's hidden. All right, and there's a swimming pool right there. I don't know if I can do that. I prefer the waterfalls. So vamos allá. Damas y caballeros, aquí estamos. Vamos a buscar las 3 cataratas aquí, ¿ok? Tenemos 3 cataratas, Hidden Falls, Hulugan Falls, y la otra es Kambal Busai. Vale, vamos allá. Damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a Zoe's Eco Resort. Tama ba? Ano pangalan?
Zoe's Resort and Eco Adventure Park.
Okay, repito. Zoe's Eco Resort and Adventure Park. Vamos allá. Alright, so this is the way to get to the 3 waterfalls: Kambal Busai, Hidden Falls, and Hulugan Falls. I wonder how to find that Hidden Falls, because it's hidden. I have no idea. Explore the unseen. There are many reminders here that will remind all of us that we need to do, okay, as advised by the Mother Earth. Yes. Hello po.
Hello.
And yeah, as you can see there, hold on. Ah, okay. It's an acronym here. Hope, hold on, pain ends. Oh yeah. This is the best reminder or the best message I found today. Hope, hold on, pain ends. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. That really struck me. That is really me right now. Well, not directly with me, but you know, within my family. So yeah. All right, guys. So I think we found the first falls. No, first two actually. So this is the way going to Kambal, Busai, and Hidden Falls. It's right there. Okay, so let's go there. Babu saya. I'm loving this. This is a real adventure. Look, it's very deep. It's very steep. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god. The trail here is like similar to Asik-Asik Falls in Alamada, North Cotabato, but I think we can handle this. We can manage this one. Yeah. There are in fact 3 people coming up. So if they can do, why can't I? Let's go. Let's just do it slowly. Oh my god. I don't know.
Finally, we have seen now the first one, which is Kambal Busai. Going down to Kambal Busai Falls is actually a challenge as it is so steep. Okay, so I would advise you to make sure you have a proper trekking footwear that has a strong grip to hold your balance properly so you won't fall. The falls has a very strong raging sound, just like other waterfalls, and the water here is so refreshing. Okay. So it's really a perfect place to dip and swim after that hot trekking of getting here.
I don't know if you can hear me. I'm trying to shout as much as I can because the sound of the waterfall is so shouting, okay? It's screaming. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm trying to shout as much as I can. So this is the waterfall view. Look at that. Okay. It's also damn cold, and I like it because I just came from a 2 hours motorcycle ride under the heat of the sun Saturday afternoon. So yeah, very cold, very refreshing. This is what we need. This is what I need. This is what I like. Yeah. This is the I don't know if this is the hidden falls. It's not hidden anymore because I found it. I don't know if this is the hidden falls, but we'll see. Let's explore. What can we find here? Okay. Actually dark here, guys. But let's try. It looks eerie, enchanted. We'll see. Okay. Look at that. Let's just be careful here because it seems slippery. Yeah, for obvious reason. Okay, there are millions of mists, you know, water mists from these waterfalls. Okay, I think this is the hidden falls, guys. I think. what an enchanted falls, you know, very magical. And the sound of the falls is just raging, wild. Sounds angry but not, you know, but it's really wild here. Right in the middle of the jungle. Okay, rainforest actually. Yeah, so see that, lots of green vegetations here. It's so dark inside there. When you go up there, it's really dark. Yeah, you can only see the white color of the water. But other than that, the background is so dark. Yeah. And they have this wild fern also. Yeah. All right, so let's do the one final dip. Okay, at this part of the falls before I head back up. Okay. So cold. Woo! Wow, what am I doing here? Yeah. Okay, so it's time to go back up now. Hit the road again. Alright. Waterfalls. The final look of this waterfalls, magnificent one. Yeah. Beautiful, right? Very, 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 very beautiful. Muy hermosa. Okay? La catarata muy hermosa, espectacular. Okay, let's go back up now. And actually the climb up is very steep. It's one of the steepest climbs I have in my life. Of course we can do this. We can manage this. Yeah, look at that. Okay, let's go all the way up there. All the way up there, yeah. Okay. Woo. That was a very steep climb. I'm actually catching up my breath, guys. Oh my god, that's one of the steepest climbs I did in my life. Really, it is, yeah. Okay, I'm back now on the trail, heading back to the jump off point of Zoe's Eco Resort. Yeah, I'm still catching my breath, guys. But yeah, we can manage this. Alright, so I'm back in the main Bulusan town, right? From that, well, not really long, but medium distance, what do you call this? Motorcycle ride from Zoe's Eco Adventure Park. Yeah? And that's their main church here. Look at that. With local, local kids playing Saturday afternoon, okay? And right behind me, right here now, is the church bell tower here they have in Bulusan. Okay, it's this one. Look, wow, there you go. Alright guys, so here we're lucky enough to witness this procession. Okay, oh, the participants are actually children. Yeah, the local children here in the town of Bulusan. So yeah, so it's actually a Catholic tradition in preparation of, part of the celebration of fiestas here. Okay, and the month of May is actually the month of fiestas. Almost every town in any other provinces here in the Philippines are having this kind of Catholic tradition. Okay, we call it procession, and yeah. to to honor the patron saints. Okay, all this is also part of Santa Cruzan. Okay, for the upcoming fiestas here in this town. See that? See that? It's too dark. We should have put some, lights or candles. But yeah, look, so fun because children are participating. They're singing, chanting. Okay. Yeah, so chicos, that's the tradition. Okay. In any other places in the Philippines, it's a Catholic tradition. It's called procession. We were able to witness it. Very good. So that's the procession we have here. Okay. Okay, after dinner at Rhythm, right there at Centro, okay, in Bulusan town proper. After dinner, I went out and we encountered the procession, the traditional Catholic tradition procession. And then now, actually, I was just roaming around the Centro, Bulusan Centro, and then on my way back, because I'm supposed to just go back to Aqua Vista Resort, I found this place. It's a local hangout place. It's called Palo. So it's a bit of a beer house where local people are enjoying, have fun on Saturday night. Yeah, singing karaoke. And yeah, I met some new friends here. So we have Marlon, his wife Ruth, and then Ruth's sister Julie. Yeah, and yeah, see that with the red horse, of course. And is it Gin Pomelo? Gin Pomelo, no? And then yeah, fries and lumpia Shanghai. Yeah, simple but very lively here. Lots of fun. People are having fun. Local people, yeah. So.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins.
Okay, so what we are drinking tonight, okay, we hang out with my newfound friends, okay, is this one, okay. We call it Gin Pomelo, and actually, guys, the last time I got this, I tried this one, was way back in college. So that was like what, 20 years ago, and this is my first time to try this in 20 years, yeah. And it's a Gin Pomelo. It's actually from this one, okay, Ginebra and the Dalandan Tang, yeah. And that's it. This is the best drink ever for Saturday night out with with friends.
So, what a day! Or shall I say, what a night! Well, finishing the night, hanging out with newfound local friends, having karaoke fun with Gin Pomelo. Such a perfect combination to end a great night, isn't it? So there, I will now end this video by showing you how Gin Pomelo is being prepared by the master. Look at that! Wow! So there, if you like this video, please let me know by subscribing to my channel Roberto Vagabond. Then hit the like button and the notification bell. See you on the next adventure.